you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Please click the thumbs up button and let everyone know. Share it with your friends or wherever you need to share it. That would greatly help me out a lot. Let me know, leave your feedback at the bottom. I did a business seminar and I invited anyone that was online to come and be a part of this seminar. We had a lot of different people come through, have a lot of reviews on it, but what I wanted to do was those that was not able to make it, I wanted to pretty much do a summary of what we talked about at that business seminar. And I'm going to be doing more about nonprofits, incorporating your business, and this is going to be fun because anyone that's looking to build their business up and take it to the next level, you need this information, and the information that I'm doing is going to be relevant and good information for today. One of the things that we talked about was getting a DBA for your business, just getting a name, doing business as. It costs about $10. You can either go to, if you live in a rural area, it's probably your county building, or if you live in a city, it's probably downtown at your city hall or some type of building of that nature. The next thing we talked about was going to the irs.gov and putting in the search engine SS4, apply online. The SS4 form is the form that you need in order to apply to get your tax ID number. Then the next thing that we talked about was doing it in a corporation, whether it's a limited liability company or whether it's a sole proprietor. Sole proprietor is generally with a Schedule C that you would normally file it, but that's with your Social Security number. And what I told everyone is you want to detach yourself away from your Social Security number as much as possible, especially if you're an entrepreneur and you plan on growing your business and possibly selling it. You got the Dun & Bradstreet number. Once you're incorporated, you are automatically assigned a Dun & Bradstreet number. You need that in order to apply for business credit. And we haven't got into that aspect of it, but Dun & Bradstreet number, you are definitely going to be needing that. Talked about social media, using your social media outlets to the best of your ability, meaning with Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, these social network sites, SoundCloud if you're into music, YouTube. We talked about those medias, and we talked about more specifically the blogger style media like Facebook and Twitter. You want to put your information out there somewhere between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. because that's when people are most actively engaged in social media. But it is a fact, people do get on social media, and though they may not click like, they definitely are reading, listening to your material. So be careful what you put out there. The ideal of networking is very important because you network to bring up your net worth. And though you may meet somebody now that you may not think, they're not going to do anything for me, keep in contact, keep your relative distance, because one day that person may end up being your angel investor later on in the future. Mentor.org is retired executives that are there to help guide you and put mentorship, to put mentors in place to help you guide and groom you for your, to help you, walk you through the business process. A lot of business people don't have time to do that, but these business people are retired and they have the time to walk you through what you need to do to make your business successful. These executives are entrepreneurs, are people who retire very far up the food chain. You definitely want to take advantage of that resource, score.org. Talked about grants. You can go to womensnet.net. If you are a woman and you are in need of a grant to help with your equipment, upgrading your equipment, or if you need help just with the startup, it's about $1,000. And as you can see on the screen, the different things that they have available in the qualifications that you would need in order to get that. So we also talked about businessownersidealcafe.com. That's an important website because they also give out $1,000 for free. There's no charge in the application to do it, and they give national recognition to the people that they give the $1,000 to. All you have to do is go to their website and apply, and you may be the lucky pick for that time. So go there, check it out. They have a lot of resources there for businesses. The biggest thing that we're going to talk about is the Super Bowl grant that Intuit is sponsoring to help one business get a chance to advertise on the biggest level of them all, which is the Super Bowl. Now, I'm not going to be able to go through and explain all the information. As you can see, as the website pops up, you'll be able to go there and get information as what you need to do. But in a nutshell, this is this is like I'm telling you, this is a dream. This is a dream of a lifetime for you to get a chance to get your business out there among 500 million people or more. And this grant is worth a whole lot of money. Actually, the top four will still be flown there. Every week, they're going to be giving out $1,000 grant. So even if you don't win the big dollar, you can get that $1,000 every single week. While this competition is going on, you can apply now. The information that you're going to see at this website is everything that you need to do. They only really want you to do is tell your inspiring story, get people to like it, and when you get people to like it, they're going to vote on it, and then they're going to constantly take you through different levels and rounds, and at the end of the day, you'll be at the top four, and only one person's going to win, and they're going to give you some money to help pay your taxes. They're going to fly you to New York. You're going to be able to watch the big game. I mean, even if you don't win, just the idea of knowing that you can go to the Super Bowl, and that is big, y'all, big. So thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you at our next business seminar. Thank you.